Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a DeLonghi Magnifica XS with us in the shop. And I came in for a few issues of leaking mainly and water not getting into the spouts. And so we went in there and we replaced the original pump from 2013. Usually pumps have around one taken care of around 5 to 6 year lifespan. This one is way over that limit. Of course, there's rare cases where they do last longer and stuff like that, depending on your machine, how you use it. Also a few other things if you descale your machine, stuff like that. And then also your mechanovalve. So your mechanovalve is the part of the machine that disperses all your hot water to the places it needs to go. Specifically, it is right above the lid right here. That's why usually right here gets hot, because a lot of this has a lot of hot water in it. And when this leaks, or when this gives out, it definitely gives out, and you'll see it in your drip tray, you'll see it on your counter. But yeah, so we replaced the entirety of the mechanovalve. We also descaled your machine, just because we did a lot of work to it. We don't want, the scale to ruin any of it. So we did descale your machine also. But now we're going to test the machine by making a shot. So we're doing a double. Now what's happening right now is this machine is considered super automatic machines. That means that everything from puck prep, grinding coffee, brewing coffee is all done by the machine itself, which means that the grinder will go off, grind the coffee into your machine. You'll hear your brewing it go into position. It will start to tamp against the mechanovalve. This part here, you can imagine this as a tamper right here. So this is pressing against your brew unit, which is tamping your coffee and also spewing water out of it. And it'll come out through the front. This might run for a little too long, so we might cut it short, depending on when it stops. Nope, perfect. Now we're going to test hot water by just opening this. This machine didn't come with the knob that keeps that closed. Wait, there goes your hot water there. Now we do have to put that on for the steam, because the steam wand without that little nozzle might look weak until you put it on, and then it starts pushing it. So we're going to put this back on. We'll probably just hold it. Maybe not. No, we're just going to use it like that. So it might look like a little bit of steam, but again, this nozzle that keeps falling off because it didn't come with the actual thing. When it's on there, it pressurizes the pressure that the steam that it's making, as you can see. So it's kind of hard to keep on there without the nozzle. Yeah, that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.